It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for tuning in. I'm super excited to do my makeup right now because I have a dress on, which is like so weird, and I feel like I'm doing it just to feel like I'm still me, you know? Because this quarantine really makes you lose that part of you that like dresses up, you know what I mean? To be honest guys, I don't even know what I'm talking about. All I know is I want to do makeup and I want to put this dress on because it's really nice outside today. And I put on these earrings and I feel kind of ridiculous because I'm not going anywhere. But here we are anyways. So today I want to do nothing nope, that's wrong. Nothing over $10. And I think that this is gonna be fun because I have some makeup here that I haven't used in a little while and I'm just like pretty excited to put it on. Some of it's some new stuff that I've actually used in some of my recent videos, but I'm just excited to try them again because I want to continuously learn them at the same time since they are new. Like cleaning up my desk as I'm talking to you guys because I'm a mess. It feels so weird to have hoops on. Oh my gosh. You guys, I used to wear hoops like every freaking day. Like hoops were my thing. I have so many. I have like a thing that's just like a bunch of hoops. Yeah, and I pulled some out because I think it'll kind of go good with the look today. I'm not doing my hair and you guys are just gonna have to deal with it because I'm not going to. I'm not gonna do it. I already put a dress on and put earrings on it. Now you want me to do my hair? I don't think so. Okay, maybe I'm actually due to wash my hair, but let's just move on from that. Does anybody really have clean hair right now? So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water to spray my face because it smells good. And I really need these coconut vibes to like take me to an island or beach, you know? Oh. I'm still here. Well, it was worth a try. And then I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. This is kind of just like a hydrating balm, just like it says. And I just wanna put this on because you know what? I have definitely fallen out of my little skincare routine that I was doing good. Like at the beginning of this quarantine, I was like, yeah, I got my skincare routine on lock. I'm doing it every day. Skin's looking good. And then I gave up. No, I didn't give up. I just haven't like been doing it very often because this side of my face has been playing me, y'all. Like, I mean, I have some over here too, but I did just get off of, you know, that week of the month, but I have been struggling with this side of my face having a lot of texture. I suspect it's because, to be honest, I sleep on that side, and before you come at me like, you need to change your pillowcase, blah, blah, I do, I promise I do. It's like little bumps on my face, and you probably can't see it right now, but most of the time when I put foundation on, I can like see it and I'm like, why? So what I was getting at is, so I felt like I was like, well, let me not use my skincare for a while. Also, I got lazy at the same time, but I was like, maybe it is something I was using in my skincare and it's still there. So I feel like it's just, I don't know. My skin, maybe it's changing because I'm getting older. Who knows? So yeah, I wanted to use this hydrating balm because my T-zone is the driest parts on my face and it's gonna give me a little bit of extra moisturization. Let's go ahead and do the eyes because y'all know I like to do my eyes first. I just like to let the primer sink in and also the fallout, you know, we don't want none of that. I'm gonna use not an eyeshadow primer today. Actually, I'm going to try something different. This is the Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow. This is a matte eyeshadow and it is, what is the shade? This is the shade Camelback, and I wanted to see if I can use this kind of like an eyeshadow base. Oh my god, you guys, I was just drinking this high brew like salted caramel coffee cold brew thing. First of all, delicious. Second of all, I am really wound up. So I want to use this to see how it works as like a primer base kind of thing situation, you know what I'm saying? It's a little dark for my skin tone, but it's fine. We'll make it work. I've used one of these matte ones before from Wet n Wild, like the same thing but a different color, and these things blend out really good, like way better than you would expect from a liquid shadow. I don't know, they just blend so good. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm really excited to do this look because I don't know, it just came to me when I sat down. Sometimes, you know, you just sit down on your makeup chair and you're like, you see something, it's like inspiration. Does that happen to anyone? Am I crazy? Probably. I want to use this e.l.f. Bite eyeshadow, bite-size eyeshadow. This is Hot Jalapeno. It's the green one with the gold. And I just think these shadows are so unique and pretty. And I want them on my eyes. I think I'm going to dip into this other bite-sized eyeshadow. And I'm going to use this first shade right here as like a transition shade. And then we'll go in with the green. By the way, these things are only $3. And they're so good. Oh, look at that. Oh, should I zoom you guys in? Oh, I just love it. It's such, these are such great eyeshadows. I don't know how they do it for only $3. It's really insane. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the prices and stuff really quick. So the spray is $5.99. The hydrating balm is $8. And this eyeshadow base, or well, liquid eyeshadow goes to between $3.50 and $5.30. It's always on sale, but it's around $5 or less. Time to add some green. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna use this matte one right here. Am I even showing you guys? Sorry. I'm gonna use this green right here. We're gonna really put it in there. I really want this look to look like really navy green, navy, army green. I'm just gonna go back into that first transition shade a little bit to kind of pull it up a little bit higher and bring the color out a little bit more. And back into the green again one more time. Now we're gonna use this super deep foresty green and deepen up the outer edge here. Ooh, I'm so excited to put this gold on. It's gonna make everything like pop so much. Okay, you guys, are you ready for this gold? Because I don't know if I'm ready. Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna look so pretty. Oh, look at it. Oh my god. How? I would pay $3 just for this shade. What an incredible gold. Oh my gosh. It's so easy to use it with a brush and everything. Like, it's so pigmented. Oh my god. I think I'm actually gonna try this green shade as well. I'm gonna put it in between this dark shade and the gold. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yes. It kind of like makes it transition to the gold better. It got a little bit darker than I was anticipating. This dark green shade is so pigmented. It kind of overtook the green, but it's fine. I still like it, so let's go ahead and move on. Oh my god, I haven't used this in so long and I'm like so excited. I love this foundation. This is the Revolution Stick Foundation. I have the shade F1. It's super creamy. If you have oily skin, I would not recommend this, but if you have dry skin, you might really like this just because like it's very creamy and very like glowy when you blend it out, I guess you could say. I'm gonna use this Shop Massé sponge. It is $1.55, I want to say. Super cheap and it works so freaking good, you guys. Like, this is 100% a Beauty Blender dupe. Honestly, I kind of even like it a little bit more than Beauty Blender. I guess also like the price really makes me like it more. Does this look like super pale on me? Weird. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have to do some extra bronzing because for some reason this looks like really pale on me right now. This Revolution stick is only $9. Look at my skin. It looks so good. It blends out so nice and it's like not super matte. It has like this little bit of a glow, you know? Oh my god, look at my hair. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Stay behind my ears, please. Thank you. Ow. I hit my nose too hard. Okay, so for concealer, we're gonna use the e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer. This is the shade Fair Beige. This is $10. Oh my gosh, it's only $6. Why did I think it was 10? Wow, so inexpensive. I think I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. I've been doing that a lot lately where I just do it under my eyes because I don't know, I feel like for a long time I did the whole like on the forehead, on the nose, on the chin, and it's just like too much. I just want coverage under my eyes to brighten them. I feel like sometimes when I put it in these areas, like it tends to make me look more dry. I just like having like a lighter coverage, so I just put foundation in those areas instead of covering it with a bunch of product. Oh my god, this whole thing is just It's looking spectacular. These are such incredible products. I have been so obsessed with drugstore makeup lately. Ugh, the drugstore is doing so good. I feel like I'm using a lot of e.l.f. stuff, but it's because I love e.l.f. so much and I have a lot of e.l.f. And so I want to use the e.l.f. This is a newer product that I've been really liking ever since I tried it on my e.l.f. video, my full face of e.l.f. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put it up here on the iCard. But this is the Halo Glow setting powder. You guys, it's so good because I don't like the matte look. I just like to set my under eyes so that they don't crease, and I feel like this does such a good job of setting it without mattifying it, and I love it. And even though it's called like a glow powder, it's got no shimmers or anything like that. You can't really even see like the luminous part of it. It just doesn't mattify. Our neighbor dog. Oh, he likes to bark a lot. He really does. Quiet down, please. It's $8. It's really good. I like it a lot. For bronzer, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Coloricon bronzer in the shade Sunset Striptease. If you guys have been on my channel, you know my feelings on this. So good. So good. Just like, it's the perfect shade. It like gives you a contoured look, but it also bronzes. Like for my skin tone, this is beautiful. Wow, this look is getting pretty dramatic. And for blush, I'm gonna use this Burts Bees blush. This is in Toasted Cinnamon. It is $9.99. Just like a really nice, like peachy, bronzy kind of. Oh my god. Whoa, that was a lot. It's very pigmented, if you can't tell. I don't know why I'm talking like that. I've been inside the house too long. Okay, now for highlights, we're gonna use a Colourpop highlighter. This is a cream, or this is the Super Shock Cheek highlighter in Smokin Whistles. This is actually in my project pan, and I love cream products right now, so I'm super happy to use this. And it is $8, I think. Yes, it is $8. That was a really good guess. Let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna go back to the transition shade in this. Did I even tell you guys this? This is the pumpkin pie bite-sized shadow. I don't even think I said the name of it in the beginning. My bad. But everything's always linked in the description box below anyways. So I'm gonna use this under my eye. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the green one, the lighter one, and I'm gonna pull it pretty close to my lashes. I'm just gonna use this Colourpop highlighter to do my inner corner and then my brow bone highlight. Then I'm gonna use this e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Liner. This is a brown eyeliner, it's the shade Coffee. I'm just gonna do, can we not bark, please? I'm just gonna do, oh my god. I'm just gonna line my eyes. I think I'm gonna do my brows really quick, and then we will do lashes and lips, and we will get on with this thing. What? This is the BH Studio HD Brow Pencil in Ebony. This is a really good brow pencil. Guys, I'm just sitting here finishing up my brows, and I can't stop thinking about Vikings, because that's what I've been watching on Netflix. I've been like binging it because I never seen it before, and it's like really good, and that's all I can think about the last couple of days. And I'm just like thinking about the moment when I finish it, and I'm gonna be like, now what am I supposed to do? So if you guys are binge watching anything, or if there's something on Netflix that you guys think I should see, leave it below. What have you guys been loving? I really would love to hear like some suggestions. I feel like there's some good series on Netflix that I haven't seen before, and I would really love to hear your guys' suggestions so I can like prepare for that moment where I need to find something new to watch. Okay, now I'm gonna throw some mascara on. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara along with the Wet n Wild Skinny Mega Slim Waterproof Mascara on my lower lash line. I feel like I want a little bit more blush. Now for lashes. I was gonna use the e.l.f. ones, but I've used a lot of e.l.f. stuff in this video, so let's use some Shop Miss A lashes. Do I wanna go extra dramatic or just kind of like natural? Heck, we're already here. Let's go. Let's do extra dramatic. These are the style Yoni. These are just only $1.55. I highly suggest Shop Miss A lashes. So good, so inexpensive. How? You can buy so many. I'm gonna use the Strip Lash Adhesive by Kiss. It's the Lash Couture black one. It's so good.
You feel? Damn, what the fuck is this? You look all good and shit? You trying to go out or something?
I look good.
What is this?
Yeah, you wanna go out? You wanna go to the bar?
So let's go.
All right, we go downstairs, whole party.
Not wrong.
Alrighty, lashes are on. Let's move on to lips, the final thing. Got some more Colourpop stuff because Colourpop is amazing and super inexpensive. So I'm gonna use the lippy stick. Nope, that's a pencil. I'm gonna use the lippy pencil in Frenchie, and then I'm gonna use the lippy stick in Booty. Probably wipe off my crusty lips. Oh, it looks so good with the green. Yes! Why am I screaming? I'm gonna top it off with some clear gloss. This is actually from Shop Miss A as well. It's just a clear gloss. It's supposed to be fruity smelling, but there is no smelling of fruits at all. It's supposed to be a peach one, but this one doesn't really smell like anything. Now let's finish off again with the spray. Oh God, every time I spray that, I'm just literally on the beach until I open my eyes again. Glossy red lips are so messy, but I love the way it looks.
We so fly.
Alrighty guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found some new inexpensive products that you might want to try out. I love Drugstore right now. I really like how this look came out. Everything just pops so much and it's got me feeling so extra and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, I would really appreciate if you considered subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.